The importance of testing for melamine. These days, with food law and regulations tightening, it has come to the forefront that lots of food and feed items are falsified, to some extent. The reason, as always, is money. Substituting expensive with cheaper ingredients makes the manufacturers more money, although to the consumers healthy substances may be dangerous and even deadly in some cases. Melamine addition to falsely raised protein scores in products is one of these crimes. It can be added to human food and feed for animals, like cows. This will result in the animal's milk being contaminated and, in conclusion, the milk products we consume. Melamine 2, 4, 6, triamino 1, 3, 5, triazine. C3H6N6 is a small synthetic organic molecule composed by 66% of nitrogen. This molecule is mainly used in the production of plastics, paint and adhesives. In food, melamine can be found accidentally following contamination from plastic packages. But unfortunately, because of the high level of nitrogen, it has also become a bad practice to adulterate diluted milks with melamine in order to increase the apparent level of protein. In 2008, China, the country where this practice is more common and where higher concentration in milk has been found, was caught in a food safety incident where milk and milk formula was adulterated using melamine. Melamine is very harmful to the body if taken in large quantities, more in infants than in adults. Melamine causes kidney damage and, in serious cases, kidney stones or kidney failure. Melamine testing can be done through a variety of different rapid tests. Two types of test can be done, the first being a quick protocol and the second, sensitive protocol. The melamine sensor is a rapid test that allows you to detect the presence of melamine molecules in a milk sample. The quick protocol has a limit of detection of 250 ppb in 5 minutes, and the sensitive protocol, a limit of detection at 125 to 250 ppb in 9 minutes, depending on the sensitivity you want to reach. Melamine sensor is a competitive test involving one specific antibody, with high affinity for melamine molecules. The test requires the use of two components. The first component is a microwell, containing predetermined amount of antibody linked to gold particles. The second is a dipstick made up of a set of membranes, with two capture lines. The control line is located above the test line. When the reagent from the microwell is resuspended with the milk sample, specific antibodies will bind the analytical components, if present during the first incubation. When the dipstick is dipped into the milk, the liquid starts running vertically on the dipstick, and passes through capture zones. When the sample is free of melamine, a color development occurs at the test line, indicating the absence of melamine in the milk sample. On the contrary, the presence of melamine in the sample will not cause the colored signal to appear at the test capture line. Melamine is an easy and inexpensive way to make the protein content higher, and sell off inexpensive ingredients at a more expensive price. This may sound like a quick way to make more money, but in the event of finding out your products are contaminated, the product will be recalled, food exports-imports reputation will be damaged, and arrests will be made. Consumers should not be deceived by organizations that want to make short-term profits, and therefore testing for melamine is a must. Visit us at www.primepharma.co.za. That is www.primepharma.co.za.